Su gran árbol. A tree. ¿Loco? Tiene esas cosas como así. Guys, we're just walking around and running into stuff. The typical kind of idol worship things that you find in Colombia, but very creative garden that they got here. Really cool. I'm exploring. Forest everywhere. Pick which way you want to go. You're gonna get lost. Get this tree. Wow. Woo. Río. Pam, 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 pam. Esa manera. Sí, más limpia. Colombia. This tree is something out of the movie Avatar. But in Colombia, it's real. More nature is everywhere you go. Colombia. Exploring in Colombia is so fun. Just guys watch. Okay, you're gonna get the view now. Fría? Okay, I am gonna attempt to cross this with my phone. If I don't make no more videos, it's because my phone fell and look, it splits and then goes down to another. This is like basically a 10-minute walk from my house. Wow, incredible. Nah, I better not. If I can get what's the safest way to go. This is yes, I almost slipped on the rock, guys. I almost slipped on the rock. You seen it. I'm gonna abort the mission here. I'm not gonna try to cross here. I don't need to dive for views, but but you see, wow. Colombia, guys. We're gonna walk some more, but I'm kind of starting to think we're like in somewhere a horror movie could be. So I'm gonna turn around, do a smart thing, since I didn't do a smart thing before. Reina, ¿qué piensas sobre su esposo casi muriendo? Casi murió.
¿Por qué?
¿En
el agua?
En el agua.
No, solo hubiesen mojado tus zapatos.
No es eso que aquí pasa.
No,
sí.
No te preocupes, no, porque hubiesen mojado solo tus zapatos. No hubieses muerto.
Pero es posible, yo pude caer y pude haber caído en agua y copiar mi pelo y no más. No
hubieses
más.
puesto tus manos. No quería soltar tu celular.
My wife was not worried about me almost falling in the water and dying. She said I just had my shoes, or I slipped and whoa.
Mira. Cerdito. Hola.
Cerdo.
Qué lindo está comiendo.
Sí. Bacon.
Mira esa mariposa tan bonita.
Mariposa. Can't get all the things I see here.
Mira, come saludable.
Eating good. Look guys, this is like the start of a new bamboo tree. And when it gets bigger and then it grows, you can see how it sheds those things and then becomes like, woo, way up in the air. Crazy. Want some bananas?